Okay, this video here is to accompany the Intro to R Markdown tutorial I have on my GitHub. This should help you navigate to the GitHub website, download the repository, and open it up on your computer. So first navigate to the website, github.com/cbwall. This is my homepage for all my repositories. You can see other projects I'm working on here. Navigate over to the repository tab. We'll hit this. Scroll down, view the repos in, you'll see the Intro to R Markdown. So we'll click on that. From here you can see all the files, the R project, the R Markdown, the HTML outputs, and some other things for Bookdown, which we won't be talking about. And a basic introduction to the repo here, how to run it. So first, if you're not familiar with GitHub, go over here to the green code button, click on code, and you can either download this, open it with GitHub Desktop if you use that. Most people don't have this. But you can download the zip, which is more user-friendly. Download the whole repo here, and once it's done, downloaded, it should pop up in your downloads folder. You can see the downloads right here. Click on the zip file, open that up, and you'll see the entire repo. You can see it kind of mirrors what's over here on the left-hand side inside the repo. So now this is on your computer, and you can then open up the R project. If you are not familiar with R projects, I recommend doing a little bit of Googling on this. But R projects are a good practice, best practice perhaps, to use for R coding and keeping your data all organized. So open the R project. That will then open up in R Studio. And you can see it's in the downloads, Intro to R Markdown Master R Studio right here. And this is basically where your working directory will be. From there, you can then click on the RMD, which is a markdown file. This will open up, and now all of this code should effectively run from the working directory which you set through setting the R project. From here, you can run these chunks by clicking on the green code chunk for running code chunks. You can knit it by clicking knit up here to your output file. In this case, HTML is my preferred. And if you want to run the entire thing, you can click Run, Selected Lines, Current Chunk, which is the grayed out area, or you can run the entire chunk from a certain point above or below, or click Run All. This will run all the code chunks throughout this markdown and give you your output without knitting. Knitting is here to produce the HTML or PDF. Okay, that should get you started. Good luck.